kí ẹ lè láǹfààní àti mọ bó ṣe ń lọ torí bó ṣe ń lọ làwa máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ lé lórí so ẹ má yẹ kẹ́ni kankan sọ fún yín pé kẹ́ má travel. Tell them you will travel and nobody should tell you otherwise. And tó bá ní kẹ́ má travel ẹni káwọn náà padà wá sílé. Most of them are not going to return back home. You cannot sit in America, sit in England, sit in Wales, Scotland, sit anywhere around the world and tell people not to travel. If you have the means to travel, please do so. Visit places, and I'm sure. So that is London there. This is Oxford Circus, a very busy place. Once again, it is the Koiki Media bringing it closer to your doorstep. No retreat, no surrender. Our campaign will continue. As we say, Nigeria is not a workable country. So that is about it. Please continue to share the program and let's enlighten millions of Yoruba people. Ọ̀nà kan tó kù fún wa kò ní pé kó lókàlùkù kó dá dúró, kò mú jà dání. You can have a country and have many countries around you just like it is done anywhere in the world. Anything short of that, Nigeria will not work. So don't live in denial. Don't die trying to fix Nigeria. The British that created Nigeria knew quite well that there is no way Nigeria will ever work. Thank you so much. Koiki Media bringing the work closer to your doorsteps.